Transporting goods by lorry is a critical aspect of agriculture and farming, as it allows farmers to move their products from the farm to distribution centers and markets. However, there are several challenges that farmers face when transporting goods by lorry. These challenges can range from the cost of fuel and maintenance to safety concerns and traffic congestion. Before we continue, please help support the channel by hitting that subscribe button. One of the primary challenges of transporting goods by lorry is the cost of fuel. Lorries are typically large, heavy vehicles that require a significant amount of fuel to operate. This can be a significant expense for farmers, especially when transporting goods over long distances. Fuel prices can also fluctuate rapidly, which can impact transportation costs and profitability. Another challenge of transporting goods by lorry is the cost of maintenance and repairs. Lorries require regular maintenance and repairs to ensure that they operate safely and efficiently. This can be a significant expense for farmers, especially if their lorries are older or require frequent repairs. In addition, breakdowns or other issues with lorries can cause delays in transportation, which can impact the freshness and quality of the products being transported. Traffic congestion is another challenge that farmers face when transporting goods by lorry. In urban areas, traffic can be heavy and unpredictable, which can cause delays in transportation and increase transportation costs. Congestion can also impact the safety of lorry drivers, as they may be more likely to be involved in accidents or experience fatigue due to extended periods of driving in traffic. Safety concerns are another significant challenge of transporting goods by lorry. Lorries are large, heavy vehicles that can be difficult to maneuver, especially on narrow or winding roads. This can increase the risk of accidents, which can result in injuries or damage to the products being transported. In addition, lorries can be targets for theft or other criminal activity, which can impact the security of the products being transported. In conclusion, transporting goods by lorry from farms can be a challenging task for farmers. The cost of fuel, maintenance, and repairs, traffic congestion, and safety concerns are just a few of the challenges that they face. However, by implementing strategies to minimize these challenges, such as optimizing routes and load capacity, investing in newer and more efficient lorries, and prioritizing safety and security, farmers can continue to transport their goods efficiently and safely. Before we leave, please remember to hit that subscribe button to support the channel. We look forward to seeing you next time.